Today I'm going to make eggplant rollatini. The first thing to do is cut the eggplant about 1/4 of an inch thick. I have put some olive oil on this baking dish, maybe about 1.5 teaspoons. Put some olive oil on it. Just brush it very lightly. So I'm going to set my timer for about 5 minutes and then I'll check to see if they have gotten a little bit brown. So in the meantime, I'm going to make the stuffing. This is fresh basil. This is about 3/4 cup of ricotta, fresh ricotta. I'm adding some of this basil. And next I'm going to cut in small pieces fresh mozzarella, whole milk mozzarella. I'm going to put 2 pinches of salt and 1 egg. I'm mixing the ricotta with the basil and the mozzarella and a little bit of salt. I'm going to add some parmigiano reggiano. This is a marinara sauce, which I have made in previous episodes on my YouTube, so you can follow the directions there how to make it. So I'm putting some of this sauce at the bottom of my baking dish. Just slowly roll them and just place them in the dish. Now for the final step, you just add some more sauce at the top on each rollatini. I'm just going to put some cheese on, parmigiano reggiano, and I'm going to add some more basil. Bake it in the oven at 350. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with Pina. Arrivederci alla prossima volta. Ciao!